Hey everyone, we're going to construct the fifth order Taylor polynomial and Taylor series for f of x equals e to the power of 1 minus x at x equals 0. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. We need the fifth order, so that means we're going to take 5 derivatives. First we're going to write just f of 0, and that's going to be equal to e. You just copy down your original function. We're going to evaluate this at x equals 0, and that's just going to give us e to the first power. All right, now let's take our first derivative. So that's going to be negative e to the power of 1 minus x. Evaluating that at x equals 0, that's going to equal negative e. All right, and the second derivative is just going to be equal to e to the power of 1 minus x. At x equals 0, that equals e. So let me go a little faster because it's just going to be e, negative e, e. So I'm just going to write these really quickly. So this is going to be negative e to the power of 1 minus x. X equals 0, so that equals negative e. And then we're going to do the, fourth derivative. That's just going to be e to the power of 1 minus x. Just trying to show all my work. And then finally, your fifth derivative. It's going to be negative e to the power of 1 minus e. At x equals 0, that equals negative e. All right, so there you go with that. Now we're going to construct our fifth order Taylor polynomial. Before we do that, I want to just go over real quick. We have these factorials, and we have to go to 5. So just note that 2 factorial equals 2, 3 factorial equals 6, 4 factorial equals 24, and 5 factorial equals 120. That's going to help, so it makes it less sloppy. All right, so here we go. Our fifth order polynomial is, going by this formula, e minus e to the x, e times x, sorry, plus, and then we have the 2 factorial, which was 2, x squared minus e times x cubed, and then 3 factorial would just be 6, plus this is times e divided by 24, x to the 4th, this is 4 factorial there, minus e, and this is x to the 5th power, and 5 factorial is 120. All right, so basically that's it. We don't need to simplify, which is nice, but they also want the Taylor series. So we're going to write e to the power of 1 minus x equals the sum of n equals 0 to infinity. And that's going to be, it's alternating signs. Then all of these have an e in the numerator. And we have x to the n. And this is like 1. These are like 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So we're just dividing by n factorial. And this is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.